Welcome, everyone. Right now, I want you to pause everything you're doing. Sit down, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and ask yourself one honest question. Am I truly living or just existing? Everyone dreams big: to travel the world, to own their dream car, to have freedom, peace, love, success, and a life that actually feels meaningful. But here's the truth: dreams mean nothing if your actions don't match them. So, ask yourself, what are you doing today to create that life you keep imagining? Still scrolling endlessly on your phone? Still wasting hours on random videos? Still waiting for the perfect time? Still scared of failing? Listen closely. Life is real. Time is real. But your time is limited. You don't get another life. You don't get a reset button. This is it, your one shot. Right here. Right now. I'm not here to throw fake motivation at you. I'm here to give you a mirror, to wake you up from the sleep you didn't know you were in. You want to change your life? You want to speak better English, earn more, feel confident, unstoppable? Then don't just watch this video. Feel it. Listen with your heart. Because your life literally depends on it. If you want real talk, not sugar-coated lies, then subscribe right now. We don't just teach English. We teach transformation. So, let's begin. Let's learn how not to waste this one precious life. Lesson 1. Time is life, don't waste it. Let's be honest, you're not killing time, time is killing you. Every "I'll do it tomorrow," every hour of endless scrolling, every time you hit snooze instead of getting up, you're losing pieces of your life. You may not feel it now, but time is slipping away. Your parents are getting older. Your energy is fading. Your dreams are still waiting, but for how long? Ask yourself, what did you actually do yesterday? And what are you doing today to move forward? Someday doesn't exist. It's a trap. Stop wasting hours. Treat your time like gold. Plan your day. Focus on what really matters. Cut just 1 hour of social media each day and use it to grow. Time is your best friend only if you respect it. Lesson 2. Stop blaming. Start building. Your life is your responsibility. Not your parents. Not your friends. Not your bosses. Yours. People spend years complaining about what they didn't have: money, support, luck. But the real winners? They build from nothing. Oprah Winfrey started from poverty and pain. Now she's one of the most respected people on earth. She didn't cry. She created. Stop saying, "I can't." Start saying, "How can I?" Write your problems down. Then write one action for each and do it. You're not weak. You're just not using your strength yet. Lesson 3. Comfort zones kill dreams. Every day feels easy. Eat, scroll, sleep, repeat. But that's not living, that's slow dying. Growth begins where comfort ends. You want to speak fluent English? Speak, even if you make 100 mistakes. You want to start a business? Start, even if you fail 10 times. Let people laugh. Let them doubt you. You keep moving. A seed can't grow into a tree unless it breaks through the soil. You're the same. Do one uncomfortable thing every day. Fail forward, because nothing great ever happens inside your comfort zone. Lesson 4. "I'll do it later" is a lie. Be real with yourself. When you say, "I'll do it later," what you really mean is, "I won't do it at all." Later becomes never. Winners act now, not when it's easy, not when they're ready, but now. You want to start something? Set a timer for 10 minutes and just begin. Forget perfect. Begin messy. Begin scared. Action today beats perfection tomorrow. Lesson 5. Stop thinking. Start doing. Overthinking kills more dreams than failure ever could. You don't need to know everything to start. You just need to start. Thinking is useful only until it becomes fear. Stop planning the perfect future and start living the imperfect present. If you want to swim, you can't learn from books. You have to jump into the water. So think for 10 minutes. Then act for 10 hours. Because success doesn't come from thoughts, it comes from action. Lesson 6. Be that person. Not the lazy one. Not the one who quits. Be the one who keeps going when others stop. Wake up early. Work when others rest. Believe when others doubt. Success doesn't belong to special people, it belongs to the disciplined ones. Every morning ask yourself, what would a strong, focused person do today? Then do that. Don't talk about success. Show it. Lesson 7. You versus you. Your biggest enemy isn't outside, it's the voice in your head that says, I'm tired. I can't. Maybe tomorrow. That's the real battle, the weak you versus the strong you. Feed the right one. Every time you choose growth over comfort, you win a small war. And those small wins will build a new version of you. Lesson 8. Master your willpower. If you let your feelings control you, you'll live an average life. You won't always feel like doing it, do it anyway. Discipline beats motivation. Show up even when you're tired, scared, or heartbroken. That's how you build real strength. Start small. Maybe promise yourself to stop scrolling after 10 p.m. Fail? Try again. Willpower grows with repetition. Lesson 9. Stop comparing. Comparison is poison. You're comparing your behind the scenes to someone's highlight reel. You don't see their failures, just their filters. Focus on your race, not theirs. Unfollow people who make you feel less. Compare yourself only to who you were yesterday. Lesson 10. Choose your mentors wisely. Don't take advice from people who've never done what you want to do. If you want success, learn from those who've achieved it, not from those who've only talked about it. Respect everyone, but follow only those walking the path you wish to walk. Lesson 11. Pick yourself. No one's coming to choose you. Stop waiting for approval, for the right time, for permission. The world won't believe in you until you believe in you first. So stand up and say, I choose myself. Every single day. Lesson 13. Time won't wait. You're not too young. You're not too old. You're just full of excuses. The clock doesn't care if you're scared or tired. Life moves on with or without you. Don't wake up 10 years later wishing you had started. Your time is now. Lesson 14. Nobody cares, and that's freedom. Nobody's coming to save you. Everyone's fighting their own battles. So stop waiting for sympathy. The fact that nobody cares is your freedom. You can fail, try again, look stupid, and rise, and no one really notices. So use that freedom. Build your life quietly. Because no one's watching, and that's your advantage. Lesson 15. Why not now? Stop saying next week or next year. Nothing changes between now and then except time lost. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Lesson 16. If you don't like your life, rewrite it. You're not a tree you can move. Change your habits, your circle, your environment. You are the artist. Life is your canvas. If you hate what you see, paint again. Lesson 17. Expectations are chains. Don't live to please your family, your friends, or society. You'll end up miserable. You weren't born to meet their expectations. You were born to chase your own dream. Break free. Live for yourself. Lesson 18. Your pain is power. Don't hide your pain, use it. The strongest people were once the most broken. Your pain can either destroy you or rebuild you. Let it teach you. Let it drive you. Let it remind you never to settle again. Lesson 19. Starve distractions. Feed focus. Every time you waste hours online, you're feeding the wrong wolf, the one that kills your dreams. Turn off the noise. Say no more often. And pour your energy into building your life. Give 1 year of pure focus, and your world will transform. Lesson 20. Life owes you nothing. Life doesn't reward potential. It rewards effort. Stop expecting things to get easier, get stronger instead. Nobody's coming to rescue you. You must save yourself. You must fight for your dreams. Because in the end, life gives nothing for free, but it gives everything to those who refuse to give up. Closing scene. Soft music, slow voice. Maybe right now you feel tired. Maybe everything seems heavy. But listen, this is not the end of your story. You're not done. You're just beginning. Stand up. Breathe. Keep going. Because your future is waiting. Your greatness is waiting. Your dream is waiting. And it's time to go get it. If this video woke something inside you, subscribe and join the family. Let's grow together.